welcome. It's Gillykube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with another pour. This was a canvas that I previously poured on, so I'm going to go over that. Just trying to find myself some gloves that are not too big. Okay, let's start off. Well, one thing I would like to say is obviously welcome to my channel if you're new, and welcome back if you regularly join me. Thank you, thank you. A new video every single day. Rightio. So I've got a mix of products that I'm going to use today. One thing I wanted to tell you, I don't know if all over the world, but in Queensland, Australia, cups, plastic cups such as these are going to be phased out. They won't be able to sell them. They'll only be able to sell biodegradable cups. So that's a biodegradable 370ml cups. So these are biodegradable, but they can also be reused, you know, washed and reused. They're a lot more sturdier cup, but they obviously break down after a while, unlike these. So those are available from the Capriole Shabby Chic that I get all my gear from, that does worldwide shipping. So just a heads up, if you live in Australia, you're not going to be able to buy your plastic cups. It's going all to biodegradable. So just a heads up on that. I'm using global paints. I'm using some Amsterdam paints. I have used a squirt of the iridescent medium in my white, and I've used a squirt of the dragonfly glaze in some burnt umber that I've got. So it's kind of a mixture of products. My pouring medium will be in the drop down box, and anything else I need to explain, I will do it along the way. Okie doke. Let's get to this. I've got this white pre-mixed. I really wanted to not have it just white. I wanted to send it a little bit of another colour, but I put that iridescent medium in here because I want it to sparkle, and because I've got the cup so full, it's not kind of mixing real well. See, I'm going to have to sort of, I should have left it about that much, and then you can give the iridescent medium a real good stir. I'm sort of, yeah, kneading out the lumpy bits, but I'm not too worried about it. That was my mistake. I should have, yeah, that's not good. Yeah, I should have left room to give the iridescent medium a real good stir in. So I'm just hoping this doesn't affect my overall canvas, but anyway, you know, I've done it now, so let's get into it. I'm going to just coat this. This is the pouring medium is exactly the same as I would use for the rest of my paint, so it's no different. It's just that I'm putting this down as a base for my other colours to slide along. Not too worried about the edges yet, because I can pour those out. Oh, that is terrible. That is disastrous. What am I doing? Lumpy bits, get them, scrape them out. Funny, because the actual paint feels a good consistency. Okay, that's all right. That's all right. Just go with it. Just go with the flow. Pour your little hearts out. That's what we're all here for. Okay. No dramas. No dramas. All good. So. There is my base coat. Albeit not as nice and as I would have liked it. I'll just pour a bit more water into that white in case I want to use it again, and I'll give it a real good swipe. So this is the burnt umber, and this has got a good dash of black in it because I wanted it to go real dark. So let's see how we go with this. I'll try a bit more down. That's the burnt umber. Okay, I've got some of the, I think it's called sand, but I have added a good blob of white in it. And I am going to go the metallic bronze. I'll go from this, the metallic bronze. Metallic bronze, and then I will add some of the creamy colour again, and kind of sandwich it in there. And then I'll go metallic copper. So it has mostly got metallics in this. Lovely, rich, wowzers, trousers colour. And then I will put some metallic gold over that. I'm not sure whether I want to blow this out or swipe it out. So the burnt umber is made up with some of that dragonfly glaze in it to give it a real good sheeny shine, but it's also only made up with Floetrol. So I've just seen if this will give me the sort of real lacy look. And I'm going to just swipe it to start with. Let me try it. Just going to do a swipe on it. Wowzers, wowzers, wowzers. Oh my goodness. Oh, you have to see that. That is just stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. The lace that has popped up is pretty spectacular, really nice. So I will go back that way. Across this beige again, the skin tone colour. Wow, very simple but very effective. It is a very easy technique to do, but it's very, very effective. So I might, hopefully, let's see if I can kind of move this around a little bit. I'll just tilt it. I've really messed up with this white, but I'm going to just try and persevere with it. See if I can get anything out of it. Sort of jumping around a bit. Got a little spider on there. Go away, you're going to get harmed if you stay around here for long. Okay, just let me see, because that is gorgeous as it is. We should take it slower because I will lose the nice laciness in it if I take it too quick, which I have already done. But that's not too bad. Bring it back over here. Probably maybe I should have tilted it before I swiped it so as it would leave the lovely lace in it. So I still might now give it a swipe. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I don't really want to do much more with that. That is absolutely gorgeous. So I would just finish off my edges on it, because that is like just glistening with the metallics in it, sparkling away. It's beautiful. The only thing I would like to do is put my heat over it, get rid of any air bubbles, and then I will bring the camera down to show you a little bit closer. It is gorgeous, I love it. Wow, 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 wow. Okay. Okay, here we are. Look at this gorgeous detail in it, the lace, just beautiful. Just really gorgeous, shimmering metallic paint, really shimmery, gorgeous effects. Still maintained that some negative space. Look at the detail in it, so wonderful. Look at this, looks like snake skin for sure. All the way down through. So very pleased with this piece. Back this way, okay. That was just the chocolate or the burnt umber on the, that's pretty awesome. Very nice. Okay, all up, 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 up. Okay, there you go. So thank you so much for joining me, you gorgeous people. Please take care of yourselves, and I will be back tomorrow. So please join me. So bye for now.